आज उपेंद्र नाथ ब्रह्मा की 36वीं पुण्यतिथि के पवित्र अवसर पर हम एक महान आत्मा के प्रति गहरी श्रद्धा और स्मरण के साथ सिर झुकाते हैं, जिनका जीवन बोडो लोगों की गरिमा, पहचान और अधिकारों को समर्पित था। बोडोफा के रूप में स्नेहपूर्वक पूज्य, उनका गतिशील और दूरदर्शी नेतृत्व बोडोलैंड के लिए एक शक्तिशाली और ऐतिहासिक आंदोलन को प्रज्वलित किया, जिसने पीढ़ियों को साहस और दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ एकजुट होने के लिए प्रेरित किया। उनकी अडिग प्रतिबद्धता, निस्वार्थ बलिदान और स्पष्ट दृष्टि ने राजनीतिक जागरूकता और सामूहिक अभिव्यक्ति की नींव रखी, जो अंततः बोडोलैंड टेरिटोरियल काउंसिल की स्थापना में परिणत हुई। इस पवित्र दिन पर हम न केवल उनके अत्यंत योगदान को याद करते हैं, बल्कि उनके आदर्शों को बनाए रखने का अपना संकल्प भी नवीनीकृत करते हैं। एकता, अनुशासन और शांतिपूर्ण लोकतांत्रिक संघर्ष के उनके दर्शन आज भी पहले से अधिक प्रासंगिक हैं। बोडोफा को सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि केवल शब्दों में नहीं, बल्कि हमारे कार्यों में निहित है। बोडो लोगों के बीच एकता को मजबूत करके और प्रगति, न्याय और सामंजस्य के लिए लगातार काम करके। आइए हम एक साथ आएं, मतभेदों से ऊपर उठें और बोडोफा द्वारा दिखाई गई राह का ईमानदारी और समर्पण के साथ पालन करें। उनका सपना हमारे सामूहिक प्रयासों के माध्यम से जीवित रहना चाहिए।
Today, on the solemn occasion of the 36th death anniversary of Upendra Nath Brahma, we bow our heads in deep respect and remembrance of a great soul whose life was dedicated to the dignity, identity, and rights of the Bodo people. Fondly revered as Bodofa, his dynamic and visionary leadership ignited a powerful and historic movement for Bodoland, inspiring generations to stand united with courage and determination. His unwavering commitment, selfless sacrifice, and clear vision laid the foundation for political awakening and collective assertion, which ultimately culminated in the achievement of the Bodoland Territorial Council. On this sacred day, we not only remember his immense contributions, but also renew our pledge to uphold his ideals. His philosophy of unity, discipline, and peaceful democratic struggle remains more relevant than ever. The true tribute to Bodofa lies not merely in words, but in our actions, by strengthening unity among the Bodo people and working tirelessly for progress, justice, and harmony. Let us come together, rise above differences, and follow the path shown by Bodofa with sincerity and dedication. His dream must live on through our collective efforts.
Relenting as they were belligerent.
The basic truth is that this Assam government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-tribal. So whatever these economic package or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalked out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in true sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-tribal government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam and creation of separate state of Bodoland.
The central and state governments categorically refused further division of Assam, but agreed to a series of tripartite talks to defuse the volatile situation. The AGP state government, however, insisted that the then Congress government in the centre was encouraging the Bodos to the path of violence. They alleged certain central intelligence agencies of instigating the Bodo leaders to score political points against the state.
It is not true, it is baseless one. I have been protesting these things. This is not true at all. And Mr. Mohanto, he has sensed his words now. He himself has said that Roe has dissociated from APSU now. He said, and Roe did not associate us earlier also. We protested in yesterday's talk. He could not produce any document also. He charged that it is Roe spent 3 crores of rupees in APSU movement or like that.
No, unfortunately, these money that is spent or, these things are not documented, so you obviously will not have receipts or thing, but...
No. How it can be proved? This is not true at all. This is not true.
In this atmosphere of charge and counter-charge, a moot point remained. The tribals in Assam were alienated, and a new dimension had been added to Assam's turbulent politics. The Bodo agitation directly affects only one Lok Sabha seat, yet it was obvious to the National Front government, which replaced the Congress eye in the centre, as the tripartite talks continued, that the solution could be found only if genuine grievances of the tribals were addressed to. Meanwhile, however, the Bodo leaders were adamant that nothing short of Bodo land was acceptable to them.
And our thing is very much clear, accept Bodoland, we are not going to accept.
Boro land is the only thing that you're going to accept.
Yes.
And if Boro land is not given to you,
There will be a struggle
for how long?
continuously till it is accepted. Yes, we are ready to fight.
And how will you fight?
We'll have to manage.
Will you have violence?
Anything else?
Will you go underground?
Not that. Not that.
Will you take help of countries bordering India?
No. No. We don't have
So
society.
your fight will be within the Constitution of India,
Yes,
within the
yes,
Constitution of India.
definitely. Definitely. We are very much democratic and constitutional. We are demanding only the constitutional provision of